In this video, we're going to take a look at how to customize the menu. If we hover the name of the site in the top corner here, and we right-click Visit Site and open that in a new tab, we'll see by default there's a menu up here. If we go back to the dashboard and go to Appearance, Menus, you'll see there's a new menu here, but there's no items in there at the moment. This was installed by default when this WordPress installation was set up. So let's call this Main Menu. As you can see, the pages on the left hand side, we can switch between most recent, view all, and we can also search a page if we've got lots and it's hard to find through here. So let's just add some of these. Click the Add to Menu button. And there they are. They appear. If you notice, if I indent that, the About link will become a sub-menu. So let's click Save. Let's go to the front. Manage locations, sorry. We've assigned this menu to the three locations: mobile, desktop expanded, desktop horizontal. Let's refresh. There we go. Now we can see the menus there, and you can see the About link is on a drop down under Home. Obviously we don't want that, so let's go back to Edit Menus and put it flat. Save. Go back to the front end of the website. Refresh, and there we have the menu customized. In addition to adding pages to the menu, we can also expand the post section. We have the same tools to jump between to help us find the posts. We can do the same with adding custom links. So we add the URL. You could do this with an external website if you wanted, and then you could put the link text in there. And you can do the same with categories. If we open up the screen options at the very top, you'll see we might be able to add other things to this sidebar, and we can add the tags. And so now the tags have appeared down here, and we can expand them, but there aren't any in this website. If we expand one of these, you'll see, because this is a custom link, we can control the URL and the label. If we open a normal page link here, you'll see that this links to the actual page. We can't customize the URL, but we can customize the label. So if you want the label on the menu to be different from the actual page title, this is how you would do it. And it's advisable to do that because you ideally want to abbreviate the menu labels. If we go back up to the screen options, you'll see we can also add some other properties like link target, title attribute, CSS classes, link relationship, and description. Now you can see all of these other options on each link. Not all of them are actually that useful. There's a situation where you might want to use CSS classes. So if you want to style a menu item like contact, you wanted contact to be blue and the rest of the items to be red, giving that contact link its own CSS class in here would then allow you to style it with custom CSS differently from its brothers and sisters. So you can assign the menu to different sections that are available at the bottom. Not all themes provide this functionality. In some themes you would customize the menu positioning on the front end as opposed to in the back end dashboard here. You can have multiple menus. If we scroll up to the top, let's say we save this menu for now, we can create a new menu. This menu, we could call it Footer Menu. Create. And then if we look at our pages, we can add You know, the three we didn't add originally. Add to menu. Assign it to the footer menu section and hit save. Okay, so in this website, this is where it's assigning the footer menu based on this option here. But different themes will have a different way of handling that. With say Beaver Builder or Elementor, you would position the menus in the front end editor, and I will show that in another video.